Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. So guys, today our topic is how to make money in the metaverse. So before we started our video, make sure that you subscribe our channel so you can get the latest video. So let's get started. The pace of technological advancement is almost uncontrollably and massive amounts of money are moving around. Startups and artists are being recognized as the pioneers in a new age. It's possible to excuse for not being aware of this, but the thing I am talking about the happening with an alternative reality. Metaverse is a convergence of our digital and physical lives caused by advances in connectivity to the internet, such as AR by VR, blockchain and blockchain. It is the communication of our science fiction fantasies, what Tron and Player on imagined, and it's already happening. If this is exciting in our case, you will not be too shocked to learn that investors are investing heavily in the sector. Over $400 billion have been deposited on the currency of the metaverse, which is the non-fungible token or NFT. It's estimated that 40 millions of dollars are being moved every month, and that is the highest priced NFT transactions we have made only in the past few weeks. Perhaps you are still shocked that quite a bit of capital for an industry that to comprehend why the particular niche is getting the attention of so many, we can look at the most successful startups in the field that see what they have to offer and entrepreneurs what they have to share. They were at the forefront before the boom and high insight that the rest of us are just beginning to learn about. So why is the metaverse skyrocketing? A plan does not seem to make sense to most, more than just a virtual game. It is an interactive experience that is social. But why do thousands of users spend money on application? A plan can be described as a distributed app to buy, selling, trading as well as trading real estate connected to real world maps. For instance, you can go to New York City in a plan to find out who is the owner of Empire State Building or the New York Stock Exchange. This concept is by itself pretty cool. However, what makes a plan more than an entertainment device is how its game-based economy works. Players start by purchasing the game's native currency UPX with fake money to start buying their first homes. Therefore, even though a planned properties might be virtual, there are still real invest opportunity. In the next few months and years, the Upland development team will expand its world by adding 3D property development capabilities as well as allowing players to manage business within the game. They're also planning a feature that allows players to bring NFT art into the properties they own, improving their value as the physical art is used to enhance physical properties. Bridge Logic has created an immersive virtual reality and metaverse. Even the people are eager to live in video. People may be attracted due to the epidemic, but they are also going to virtual events and purchasing gear for their avatars due to it being enjoyable and entertaining. So, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. This is the information about Metaverse. So, hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel so you can get the latest update and videos. So, take care.